my own.
How much time she got to say? She tell me already.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Jaydah and I create content about travel, business and lifestyle. So if you like any of those, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and you like this video if you enjoy this video as well. So today I'll be taking you guys on the road with me. We're going to the hairdresser and the nail salon. I'll be showing you guys what the cost of living in London is like when it comes to doing beauty treatment. So every 2 to 4 weeks I get my beauty treatment done. Not so much now because we literally just came out of lockdown in London. It's April the 13th, so we were literally let out yesterday, and at the moment we can go to the hairdressers and non-essential shops. So I'm literally going to take advantage of that and do all my hair, nails, sugaring, like literally everything is going to be done by the end of this week because we don't know when they're going to lock us up back. So in London it's quite expensive, to be completely honest. It's actually quite expensive doing beauty treatments here compared to other countries that I've been at. I've had great service in terms of hair service in Jamaica, and the prices is literally half of what I would pay now. In terms of nails, same thing, literally at least half of what I do pay now for my pedicure and manicure. But nonetheless, I'll be telling you guys what the cost is for the treatments today and what I'm actually getting done. So I'll see you guys when I'm actually at the nail salon. It's quite, I don't know, the weather is on and off today. It was quite bright this morning, but it's getting bleaky now. So guys, I just made it to the nail salon. I'm actually doing my hair at the same place. It's called the Red Studio. I'll have the details in the description box. And look how she brand up or something. Yeah, that all over. Obviously it's a black owned. You guys know I support my black people. Jamaican owned. So you wanna come down here, nice. Yeah, nice.
Pull up your toes this foot. Okay. Water alright?
No man, it's alright. By the way guys, this video is definitely gonna have copyright because they're always playing some jams here and there's no way of going around it. So make sure that you like this and go ahead and like my old videos so that I can get some money. So I'm going to do a full pedicure set and I'm going to do French on my toes. I'm not going to do any acrylics or anything like that because I have nice toenail, really strong toenails. So I think I'm going to go for French.
Oh, you know what?
I needed to hide the gray girl.
Oh yeah. You getting gray now?
Plenty. You see, the thing is, remember, because I normally have my appointments every 3 weeks, it keeps everything under control.
Yes.
But where for months I couldn't come to get my hair done. You start seeing all on the side, all in the back, everywhere. Everywhere. I tell you, it's like a great party.
I'm gonna be relaxing my hair today, so I just took out my clip-ins so my hair can actually breathe until the hairdresser calls me.
You've been relaxing it at home?
My friend relaxed it for me. I told you I can't do hair, like literally I'm scared to touch my hair.
Relax it.
My friend done it for me. Literally one time I said, alright, let me do it since them now let me out of lockdown.
I'm gonna do vlogging, you know.
You go vlog?
Yeah.
Yeah, vlog your life. Yeah, I love that. What you go vlog say? Let me show you the people there. Guys, this is my nail tech, Auntie Jackie. Nice, clean Jamaica lady, yeah. But I know the Jamaica people, they are too good because them really take pride. Oh yeah, so them just slap dab. But I feel like only a real Jamaican can make you feel content to their nails. So once you have a Jamaican, then you will understand.
And all of them can do nails.
And then all of them are that. So where you go blog say? You have a channel already?
Not a channel.
Where you go blog say?
Anything me I do, me just blog.
So where you go put it? On YouTube or on your story or what? On Instagram? You be serious?
Everything.
But then if you be serious, are you around?
Me nah I'm serious.
Alright, tell me I'm gonna put it up so the people can follow you, subscribe and so.
When I'm ready.
No rush.
Lift them up.
I know I can't lift up. Hush. Oh, thank you.
Alright, lift them up. Take them up. Okay, put them down. Give me a foot.
They have this thing in order for me to sort out my account. I have to do a video. We couldn't do it the way my hair was.
Yeah.
Because from November, it was, the color was gone, it was just looking out.
So I'm coming to the end of my nail treatment now, and this came up to a total of £75, and that's including a full manicure and pedicure set with shellac on the fingers and toes. And yeah, usually the massage chair works, but it wasn't working on this occasion, so that's the only fault. But other than that, I'm so happy with the treatment, and I would highly recommend Jackie. Now I'm going to move on and relax my hair. Guys, I cut my hair, but I'm still leaving it and doing some layers. Trouble. The only major cut you haven't tried on me is the one where you put the fringe forward and then you shave round me. But I don't think that would suit my face.
No, that's just too heavy. It wouldn't suit you. You don't need a lot of hair on your face. If start covering your face,
It could look a lot.
yeah, there's too much. That's why short suits you, because you have a bit you've got such small hair, small face. And to start putting better hair on that, then all you are. Yeah, it's played about 20 times today.
That's a lie. Guys, I'm telling you, that song hasn't played today. I'm telling you. I'm telling you facts.
Get the price. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with this. I'm showing another life. It's nice. Let's go. So this treatment came up to £80 and I also got a discount because I have a loyalty card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the change in quality. My camera is dead, so I'm just recording on my phone now because I just wanted to get the content finished and done with. So for today, I'm just going to show you guys my maintenance routine for my lady bit and also just for my body hair. So usually I get sugared every month. Well, normally not every month, that's a lie. I usually get sugared like between every 4 to 6 weeks, depending on how much my hair regrows. And if you don't know what sugaring is, it's basically an organic hair removal service. It's been used for years, centuries. It's from the ancient times, and they basically just use sugar. It says it in the word. They basically just use sugar and they cook it up, and then they use that paste to then obviously remove the hair. I get mine's done in South London, so I'll put the details down below so you guys can go and see her. She's absolutely fantastic. Her name is Janet Lee. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful woman. And yeah, she takes care of me. So the price for the sugaring is normally £40, like if you're new, like literally your first time getting sugared. £45 depending on how much hair. And then if it's just a maintenance routine, then it's normally £35. So yeah, I'll have the conversion on the screen as to how much that would be in Jamaica and in US dollars. But I'm very happy with sugaring, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me today. Also, I normally get my eyebrows threaded and waxed in Peckham, but I don't have the energy to go to Peckham because I can only imagine how crowded it's gonna be. We are at the sugaring salon. Guys, so I'm just at the sugaring CJ now. This is literally one of my favorite places to come because she just gets me right. Yeah, you have to face yourself back in it because, you know? Where can I rest this? I don't put my bag. You have to face yourself back into it because you've been up for a while.
What are you doing?
I'm recording because I'm just gonna, you know, show them bits and bobs of it.
Well, you can't record the treatment.
No, I know.
So while you're recording this, you're getting undressed.
Yeah. It's gonna look good in the editing. I'll put your details, put your link so they can book you as well. Put the website.
Yeah, that website's driving me
You're no longer on the other one.
Breathe.
I don't know why I stopped breathing whenever you're doing it.
I can sense
I literally stopped breathing. I don't know why. So guys, I just did a bit of sugaring on my eyebrows, literally just to shape them. And sorry for the change in quality, my camera died. I'm gonna put her details in the description box below, so do book her and let her know that I sent you. She's fantastic, girl.
Because of all this.
Okay, thank you so much, yeah.